Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of spending your weekends vacuuming or mopping your floors, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2025 featuring the latest in self-emptying tech, powerful suction, LiDAR navigation, and smart home compatibility. These robotic helpers are smarter, faster, and more efficient than ever. Whether you've got pets, messy kids, or just want cleaner floors without lifting a finger, there's something in here for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Shark AV2501AE AI Robot Vacuum. This is the Shark AV2501AE. It's built for serious cleaning with a 60-day XL HEPA self-empty base, LiDAR navigation, and bagless operation. Compatible with Alexa and Wi-Fi, it maps your home precisely and handles both carpet and hard flooring. What really sets this vacuum apart is its LiDAR technology. Unlike random pattern robots, it cleans in methodical rows and never misses a spot. Users praise it for efficiently picking up pet hair, crumbs, and fine dust. It's especially useful for allergy-prone homes thanks to the HEPA filter. Pros: strong pet hair pickup, LiDAR-based precise mapping, long 60-day capacity, Alexa and app control. If you're looking for a powerful, reliable vacuum with minimal upkeep, the AV2501AE is a top pick for pet owners and busy households. Number 2. Eufy L60 Robot Vacuum. Next up, we've got the Eufy L60, a compact powerhouse with 5,000 Pascal suction, hair detangling tech, and a 60-day self-empty station. Perfect for hair, dust, and day-to-day cleaning. This one's surprisingly quiet and lightweight. It's ideal for smaller homes or apartments. The hair detangling feature is a standout. It automatically cuts and removes tangled hair from the roller, which is a lifesaver for pet owners. Though it lacks LiDAR, its smart sensors do a decent job avoiding obstacles and stairs. Pros: powerful suction for its size, 60-day hands-free operation, hair detangling system, budget-friendly. For the price, the L60 punches above its weight. It's an excellent option if you want powerful, tangle-free cleaning without complex setup. Number 3. Shark AI Ultra Voice Control. The Shark AI Ultra combines smart home voice control with powerful matrix clean navigation. With voice commands, home mapping, and a 60-day XL self-empty base, this one's built for control and convenience. Hands down, one of the smartest robots for voice lovers. You can literally say clean the kitchen and it knows exactly where to go. Its matrix clean technology ensures multi-pass coverage, which really improves deep cleaning. Pet owners love its performance, and it works well on both carpets and hard floors. Pros: voice-activated cleaning, smart room mapping, deep cleaning pattern, ideal for pet hair. If you're into voice control and want an advanced, pet-friendly robot, this Shark AI Ultra is a strong pick. Number 4. Eufy X10 Pro Omni. This one's a beast. The Eufy X10 Pro Omni is a robot vacuum and mop combo with 8,000 Pascals suction, AI obstacle avoidance, dual mop pads, and even auto-washing, auto-drying, and self-refilling features. This is your all-in-one home cleaner. The vacuum power is exceptional, but what's even more impressive is the mopping system. The dual mops lift 12 millimeters automatically when they detect carpet. Plus, it washes and dries the mops itself totally hands-free. The AI avoidance system is top-tier. It recognizes cords, shoes, and toys and avoids them like a pro. Pros: huge 8,000 Pascal suction, vacuum plus mop with auto-lift, self-washing and drying, AI-powered obstacle avoidance. If you want a fully automated vacuum and mop solution with premium features, the X10 Pro Omni is hard to beat. Number 5. Shark AV2610WA Vacuum and Mop Combo. This Shark model combines powerful suction, sonic mopping, Matrix Plus navigation, and a 60-day HEPA self-emptying base built for homes with pets, carpets, and messy floors. The sonic mopping tech actually scrubs your floor by vibrating the mop pad. Great for stuck-on messes. The navigation ensures full coverage, and its mapping system learns fast. You can use the app to schedule or target zones. It's quieter than you'd expect and tackles pet hair with ease. Pros: vacuum plus sonic mop combo, advanced navigation, HEPA filter for allergies. Great for multi-surface homes. If you want strong cleaning with mopping ability and HEPA filtration, this model balances features and performance beautifully. Host on camera or voiceover. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best robot vacuums for 2025. Whether you need a powerful vacuum, a mop combo, or AI features that clean while you relax, these bots are ready to work smarter, not harder. Quick recap. Want the best value? Eufy L60. Best for pets? Shark AV2501AE. Best all-in-one robot? Eufy X10 Pro Omni. Smartest for voice control? Shark AI Ultra. Best vacuum and mop balance? Shark AV2610WA. Links to all the products are in the description below, so check them out and see which one fits your home best. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more smart home tech, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on our next review. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.